In this experiment, we will do some exercises to deal with data statistical calculation. We will first study Pandas data structures, how to access different data files, how to clean the data, and how to regularize the data in Python. Then, we will learn to apply statistics functions to solve problems. After my initial introduction, you will need to practice the examples and exercises to get a better understanding of the knowledge. First section, Pandas data structures. Series is one-dimensional and data frame is two-dimensional. We need to import Pandas before using it. We can import series and data frame for easily use. Series is one-dimensional heterogeneous array with labels, including two arrays, index and values. To define series, you need to follow this format. That can be a list or a NumPy one-dimensional array. Index should be a list. If you don't assign value to index, by default, the system will generate numerical index from 0 to n-1. N is the length of the data. Here are two ways to create series to store the height of basketball player and their uniform number. One is create with list, and the other is create with dictionary object. This table shows three types of methods for slicing the series: index, location, and conditional filtering. Given the series height we input before, we can revise the height by assigning a new value to the specific index position. Note here, the location 1 to 3 means the value located at position 1 and 2. The numbering of location starts from 0. You can't directly add new values to series. You need to apply the function append to concatenate two series. Note that this function doesn't change the original object. You need to assign the result